What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. And guys, I gotta tell you a secret. Guys, it's Secret Swap. All right, guys, so Secret Swap is pretty fire sauce. I love Secret Swap. It is fun. I'm going to show you guys how to use it. By the way, guys, they did have an airdrop, but if you guys were not staking Secret or didn't use the bridge, you missed out on it. What's the bridge? Well, it's this little thing up here that says bridge. This allows you to bring your Ethereum junk over to Secret. All right, guys, so what is Secret Swap? Well, first you need the Kelper wallet. And how do you download that? Well, it's super easy. You just go on the App Store and type in KEPLR and download it. That's how you get it. And then you can get some Secret tokens either on Binance and I think it's on KuCoin. Bruh, not KuCoin today. But what you can do is you can either use Binance and get it on there. But if you guys are in the United States, what you do is you just bring your Ethereum over on this bridge. All right, guys, by the way, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys do 3 things for me. Like, subscribe, bell button, leave a comment below saying you subscribed. When you guys do all that stuff, make sure you guys leave a comment saying, yeah, bro, I subscribed. Yeah, I know. I said it twice. Because want to know why? Because you can earn $100 in free BTC. Yeah, guys, it's literally free. It's legit. It's sponsored by yours truly. And guys, if you want to participate in that Ethereum giveaway that we're having going on, well, they got this thing called, this is the ETH address. You can send it here. Whatever wallet addresses interact with this address at random at the end of the month, they will be selected, and whatever amount of Ethereum is in this wallet, they will get. So have fun. Try to get it. Let's see what happens. Yeah, guys, you got to experience blockchain. It's so much fun. All right, let's get back to the content. Let's get back to the video. I know you guys hate hearing me talk. Let's go ahead and talk about the Secret Network. All right, so first off, you guys got to get the tokens on the Secret Network, which is on your Kepler wallet or Keeper or whatever. I don't care. I'm staking Secret right now. So in order for me to get some Secret, I need to go ahead and claim my Secret. So I'll be like low gas fee and we'll say approve. And our transaction's going to be pending. And we going to say Secret. The reason why I like staking Secret, guys, is because you can get almost 31% interest paid in Secret, of course. But basically, guys, you're printing money with these Secret tokens. And guys, I feel there is going to be a need for privacy because, I mean, guys, we like to do some goofy stuff on the internet and we like to do goofy stuff in life. And sometimes we just want to be able to close the door, right? Congratulations! Our money was swapped. All right, guys, so we swapped that token. So now what we're going to do is we are going to swap some native Secret for like whatever we want. Actually, guys, I'm probably just going to get the native Cephi token or whatever it's called. Secret. So Cephi is basically just your native token that is for Secret Swap. It's your governance token. The reason why I'm going to get it is because, bro, you can literally earn 72% APY. And I mean, geez, why not? And guys, I get to participate in this and I'm only spending 4 Secret. But first off, guys, I got to view my balance so I can let this transaction go through. Because it will not go through unless you do this. Yes, you got to pay a fee to do it. But we're going to be like, bruh, let's approve this. So we're going to say approve. And we're going to spend the low gas fee because I'm cheap. And I like to talk to you guys while we're just waiting, right? No, you guys don't want to hear me talk. So we'll just let it go and then I'll zoom forward. Well, that was fast. Okay. So our tokens are swapped and we are ready to go. So now we're going to say, bruh, let's go ahead and swap Secret. And we ain't going to swap max because if we do max, then it's not going to be good. So we're probably just going to swap 4. So I'll be like, well, first off, I got to select the token. It's something you guys got to do first. You got to select the token you're going to do. We're going to do Cephi because we like Cephi. Then we're going to say 4. Dude, we're going to get 83 of these jokers. Dude, we're making bank. No, I'm just kidding, guys. It's always about market cap. I'm just messing with you guys. So make sure you guys look at the market cap. These tokens are like 6 cents a pop. But anyways, guys, we're going to go ahead and grab some of these. And we're going to say swap, pop, pop. All right, guys, so while we're waiting on this transaction, I got to talk to you guys about a couple things. So the reason why Secret Swap is so important is because it prevents front running. So these guys cannot see your balances and what you're looking to buy. They just see the transaction going through. So obviously we had a timeout because it was too low and the slippage probably changed. So we'll probably need to do another transaction. That's why you guys don't be cheap. I won't be cheap this time. We'll do average. I know, guys. Don't be cheap. We gonna shell it out. We do average. Oh, jeez. Transactions going out into cyberspace. I did change the total amounts that I had on there, because if I didn't, I'd probably run out of gas fees, because this was just a claim for staking secret for a couple days, like 2 days. But anyways, guys, I'm going to go ahead and play this intro video because I think you guys need to hear it.
Decentralized finance is supposed to be about empowering users. But with malicious bots, high fees, and privacy threats, it's not the users who are winning. SecretSwap is a new kind of decentralized exchange. SecretSwap protects against front-running, protects user privacy, and provides cheaper fees. That's because it's built on Secret Network, a blockchain that embraces data privacy by default. Turn your assets into secret tokens. Trade any secret token for any other. Earn rewards while staying secure.
Oh yeah, and that's another thing, guys. You get these like little cashbacks. Wow, that was fast. I swapped it. What, the pants? No way. That was easy. While we were watching that video. So next time you guys do a swap, watch that video. So guys, we got some Cephi tokens. And what's cool is you go to your wallet and you don't have any Cephis. Why is that? Well, guys, because it's hidden. So if you want to do that, you hit view balance and it'll show up in your wallet. Or you can actually just say transact and it's like, oh, no, bro, sorry. Secret. That's why it's so cool, guys, because no one knows how many Cephi tokens I have. Secret. So anyways, guys, so now we are going to go to earn. So I'm going to deposit my tokens in here because I want to go ahead and deposit them. I probably need to do view balance because if not, I'm not going to be able to show anyone nothing. So requires an additional viewing key. So guys, this is what's so awesome about SecretSwap. Anyone can look up my wallet address if you guys want, and you guys cannot see any tokens that I have. So I have to say, all right, you can view my balance. I know it's an extra transaction, guys, but it's like, bro, it's an extra 0.01 secret tokens. But guys, it's just that peace of mind. It allows you to be like, you can't see what I got and I can't see what you got. So it's like a secret. All right, so guys, that's what I really like about it. And how it prevents front running is what these bots will do is they'll see you. Okay, so say, for example, you're buying Ethereum and, oh, it went through. And you see the price and it's like, what? No way. Oh, I thought I made an extra $1. I was like, that was quick. But say a bot sees like you making a trade. It looks like I'm buying these Cephi tokens for $1 or, I don't know, $1.50. And the bot's like, oh, you're buying it for $1.50? Well, this guy's selling it for $1.40. So instead of selling you the one for $1.40, I'm going to buy it and then sell it to you for $1.50 and take that 10-cent spread. That's what front running is. And it's not cool. And exchanges do that too. So have you ever noticed, it's so weird. Well, if you guys don't leverage trade, then you're good. But sometimes when you make a trade, have you ever noticed like, you put in if you don't do limit orders, you don't notice it. But you put in a limit order, and just ironically, if it taps it, it just goes straight down after. I mean, guys, you know you've been at that point. And yes, sometimes it does keep going up, but it is ironic that as soon as it taps your limit order, it goes to it, and then it goes straight back down. What's going on is they're buying it and reselling it, or they're selling it to you and they're buying it on the dip. I mean, these guys can read these order books. That's why the stock market is so corrupt, because they can read these order books. So we're going to go ahead and deposit our Cephi so we can earn some Cephi. Secret. So I'm going to do a low transaction fee because I've already burned enough secret tokens, and I like secret. I don't want to be wasting it. Secret. There's so many other pools you guys can do as well. You can do like secret Cephi, or you can do secret wrap or S wrap BTC, secret. So S secret is like the swap secret. So this is like the token here. You can get some of that, or you can just be like, bruh, I just want to use my native secret tokens because I'm a native. I did a full featured video, not featured. It wasn't sponsored. It wasn't nothing. It was just like, hey bro, here's SecretSwap. It's so cool. You got to check it out. But I did a full video explaining on it and talking about what they're looking to do. So I highly recommend you guys check out that video as well. It was a lot of fun making these videos. And guys, I really appreciate all the liking, subscribing, bell buttoning that you guys have been doing. You guys have been blowing it up, man. You guys are awesome. You guys are bomb. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys do 3 things. Like, subscribe, bell button, leave a comment below saying you guys subscribed. And dude, we were successful. We staked this amount and no one knows how much we staked because it's gone. I better remember how much I staked because I won't remember. But anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you guys do those 3 things for me and leave a comment below saying you subscribe, and you'll get thrown into a drawing to earn $100 in free BTC. And if you guys want to participate in that little fun Ethereum game, the Ethereum wallet address is in the description below. If any of the wallets that participate in that are not selected, but any of them make a deposit to that wallet address, it is selected at entirely random order. I think that was like non-proper English. Anyways, guys, in a non-ordered fashion, it'll be a random number generator, and it'll just be like, yeah, this wallet gets all this money in here. Good for you. Welcome. All right, so guys, wisdom one-liner. Proverbs chapter 24, verses 7. Wisdom is too high for fools in the assembly at the gate. They must not open their mouths. Secret. Oh, and a couple things, guys. I think I said that so wrong. A couple things, guys, that you need to know about this is every time you deposit, withdraw, or claim, the contract will claim your rewards for you. So you don't have to be like, bro, I want to just claim my rewards. You can just let them sit there and accrue, and you could just say, all right, I'm done. I just want to withdraw. First, you guys got to do the viewing key. So you have to make that transaction right before so the smart contract can see what you guys are staking. So it's pretty cool how it works. And I know some people are like, wait, so how do they know how much you deposit? Well, they see the initial deposit. The smart contract understands how much was deposited initially, and no one else can see that. So it's held in a private key. And until that goes through, like authorizing it and saying allowing the viewing key, no one can see how much is in there. You can't even see it as much or see it as well. So guys, it's pretty crazy how it works, but it's intense junk. But basically, like all the tokens I have in here, you guys cannot see it. So like I just have this section that says Cefi. Like I don't know how much Cefi I have. Guys, I know it's CFI, but I like to call it Cefi. You just can't see it. So anyways, guys, that's how you guys can use that. And if you guys are wanting to stake Secret Swap, it's super easy to do on the Kelper wallet. You literally can buy the tokens or deposit the tokens in here, and you can go on to Cosmos Station. I did a full video on that. I'm not really going to go into this, but this button that says stake, you click stake and it'll take you to it, and you basically go on a journey and eat a wonka bar. So guys, that's how you do it, and that's really it. There's nothing crazy about it. If you guys have any questions on it, leave comments below in the description, and I will answer them as quick as I can. And a cool thing about this is when you guys are transacting on this, guys, you will get cash back as you go. Obviously, I only traded like $4, so I basically get nothing on this because I just get nothing. So play around with it, see how it works. If you guys are trading a lot more, you will get more swaps. And if you ever want to provide liquidity in any of those other crazy pools, you go to this pool section and you select the tokens that you want to do. So for example, if we want to do Secret and Cefi, we got to go over here and we got to do Secret and we got to select Cefi. And that's how you do it, guys. That's it. You enter the amount and then you say, it won't say enter amount. It'll say approve Cefi and approve Secret. In order for you guys to make these transactions go through, though, you need to make sure you approve the viewing key. So this will show up like as a secret. So let me show you guys. I already did the viewing key, so sorry. It already sees it. But anyways, guys, you guys get the point. And sorry if the videos are out of order, guys. I have ADHD, and I really don't have any organization. In fact, my organization is disorganization. Peace out, guys. Secret. Dogs. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, if you want to catch me on TikTok, I do daily wisdom one-liners and let you guys see the pets and behind-the-scenes junk. So here it is. Scan it. Check it out. Bam, bam. All right, so next off, guys, if you guys want to support the channel and get paid to do it, you guys can check out Celsius. Celsius is fire, dude. So what's so cool about Celsius is, guys, first off, you can get $40 in free BTC using my referral link in the description below. Just deposit $100. Add in the code BTC50. You will also get an additional $50 if you deposit $400, guys. It's free BTC. Next is Voyager, guys. I also got a referral link in the description below. Instead of just only getting $25, you'll get $25 and some free VGX tokens, guys. Next is BlockFi. BlockFi is part of the quadruple threat. Go ahead and make a deposit. Use this referral link in the description below. You get $100. Depending on how much you deposit, you can get all the way up to, guess how much? $250. All right, so what the pants is Celsius and BlockFi for? Well, you can use both of those as like your bank. They get some pretty nice juicy yields. And Voyager is more so like trading, and it gets some juicy yields as well. And the last one to try is crypto.com, guys. You can trade some like smaller altcoins, and you guys will get $25 in CRO once you guys get the Visa card. Why do I like the Visa card? Well, you can sell crypto and buy some junk with it. So I can buy a sandwich with my crypto. I don't use BTC, but I'll use like stable coins and junk. So anyways, if you guys want to support the channel, that's the quadruple threat. Thanks for tuning in, guys. You'll get paid to do it.